ça l'a mangé, que ça va finir.
On va causer dans les manger.
Ah non, ou bizarre cause que fait un ketchup ou.
Tu vas manger puis ma pote va causer.
Oui. It's the funny part, come on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia and today I'm with my mom. We're going to do, as you probably see from the title and from the plate here, the spicy noodle challenge. 2 times spicy.
Oh
2
God.
times. 2.
Help me.
Exactly. Ah, look at that, like it's so red. Don't start now. Wait. So, some of you guys asked me to do the spicy noodle challenge with my mom, and here we go. The noodle spicy challenge. And also some of you guys asked me to do the second part of the Q&A with my mom. And my mom today, she's gonna answer your question as well during the spicy noodle challenge, so. If this makes sense. Are you ready for that?
I'm ready, but
You know the rules. You can't drink.
Oh my God.
If you drink, you lose.
Oh, help me, please.
Okay. Q&A là en créole, huh? So from now, we're talking Creole, alright?
Okay.
Mama, don't start.
No, I'm...
Take your spoon if you want to. I don't know.
I don't need spoon, okay? I will eat this.
Okay, are you ready? Like, wait.
I'm ready.
Not ready to eat. I mean for the question.
Oh God, help me please.
En créole. Okay?
C'est trop faux ça.
Non, les questions là. Pas une question.
En créole. Tu manges toujours ou poses question toujours là?
En créole. Ok. Allez. 1, 2, 3. Non, allez.
Non, allez.
I mean, nous commençons.
Mon Dieu. Oh my God.
So, allez. I'm scared.
Extra bon.
Comment on est capable de répondre par quelque chose? Il n'y a pas qu'on a.
Non.
Okay, I changed my mind. I mean, she changed her mind. She's gonna answer the question in another video. That's fine. Oh my God, mes oreilles!
Moi aussi.
Ah, mais je sais comment on est capable de manger ça.
Ah, extra bon.
Comment on est capable de manger ça?
Extra bon. Vous avez fait vite, donc vous fini?
Mon pas mange faux du tout, moi! Mes oreilles peuvent faire mal! Non, on va être capable. Allez, Néha. Anoucha, il me prend 3 paquets. Faut poulet, cochequer, arracher. Anoucha, si tu peux regarder cette vidéo-là, fais-moi connaître. C'est les spicy. Oh non, pas capable de causer. Allez, correct, Gungaya. Bon, pas pour moi, ça, moi. Just stop. I'm not gonna hit that now. Look my plate. Look her. You know what? We should like do one packet into. It's too much. I'm not gonna finish that.
Extra. Faut l'en couler.
Prends tes choux là-bas, il a tes choux. Ma, on finit gagner, c'est correct. On finit gagner. I'm not gonna eat that shit.
Ah, on va aller brûler.
Mon pas mange fort du tout. Il est trop fort pour moi. Okay, as you can see, sorry guys, but it's too spicy. If you guys
Too hot.
have the opportunity to try that, please try it because it's too spicy.
Water.
Drink.
My nose.
She win. She's the winner. I don't care. Ah.
God.
Ma bras sauvé. Sauvé?
Ouais.
Sauvé.
Oh.
Pas pleurer. Maman, ça met ça dans la bouche. Trust me.
Mi brucia.
She said that.
Ma lèvre brûlée.
Mets ça comme ça. Je ne connais pas comment on est capable de manger comme ça. You're the winner of the challenge. But don't cry. You should be happy. Don't cry.
I am the winner.
Il faut
Ma lèvre brûlée.
que pour dire aux autres. Ils ont besoin de try, ils n'ont pas besoin.
Pas besoin de taille, c'est trop faux.
Ils peuvent le retour.
Bah, mais c'est moi un petit peu fort, c'est un extra pour.
I try my best, by the way. Vraiment. Je fais mon best.
Ouais, ça pas manger.
Moi pas mange du tout. Moi, les oreilles commencent. How you say that?
J'aurais dû sonner.
Ouais. And that's it. Sorry guys. It's that spicy that my mom, she's crying, as you can see, and she decided to. My God, it's burning. I'll just say that my mom, she found the noodles spicy, that spicy that she decided during the challenge to the response to your question as well. Oh my God. Look at that. No. End of this video, guys. Sorry for this short challenge, but literally I try my best. It's too spicy. Don't try it. Don't please.
Don't.
It's still burning mine. Oh my God, she's still crying. Anyway, it's the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see my mom crying again. And leave a thumbs up as well. And what else? Go and follow me on Instagram. I will leave all the link in the description down below. All, I mean, I got only one account. I don't know why I say all. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.